Hey everybody. Uh it's been a little bit. I will admit this video should have been out like a while ago. But that tells you in the fact that we just hit a big milestone, everybody. We just hit 100 subscribers. I did not think we'll be hitting that high of a number as quickly as we did. I appreciate all y'all. I appreciate the mess out of y'all for sharing my videos, liking my videos, commenting. Just honestly, it is amazing. I know I said it like a million times by now, but I cannot thank you guys enough. So, as a little token of my appreciation for you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my studio. A little studio tour. Give you a little peek behind the curtain. A little behind the scenes access because you guys deserve it. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving y'all a little sneak peek at what I'm working on right now. The next video. I think you guys like it, but I want you guys to comment what you think it's going to be. Before y'all hit the end of the video, I want y'all to comment, speculate what I'm going to be working on because, algorithm likes comments. So, go ahead, hit that stuff. It might be Gundam, might be Warhammer, might be something entirely new. You don't know. So I want you guys to think about it and comment down below what you think. With that out the way, let's get this tour done. So to start off with, we're going to be starting over here with the photo booth and my little pile of shame. Everyone's got one. There's no shame in it. Just all that stuff is going to be future videos. Besides the kill team and that box right there, that's just bits. Don't worry about that. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. But yeah, you're going to see a lot more of the Shadow Throne box though. Not going to lie. And there we got a airbrush that is currently in the hospital because it needs a deep cleaning. Here we have the display case. And actually, as you can see, I got some LED little light strips. Here, let's get them out. I think I've done showcase videos for all of these, besides the black, the high new custom, which I'm actually going to be putting a video out on soon. So stay tuned for that. An Ultramarines army that I've started on as well, and some other Gundams. We're not going to talk about those guys. Those guys will never see the light of day. But yeah. Here's where the main magic happens. Got my whole army of paints right here, ready to go. And my really, really old... I've abused this thing. I've abused this mat right here. So definitely going to be getting a new one soon because... I don't know. I don't think you guys deserve to be looking at this worn out mat. Hold on. I want to show y'all something. Yeah, you see that? That is a unfortunate drilling accident that I had where I was trying to drill through a Gundam piece to, help get another piece out, and I kind of just punched right through it and into and into the mat. But we're, happy little accident. Over here is where I do all the airbrushing and painting. This is mainly for Gundams, because I do a little airbrushing with like lighting effects for the 40K stuff, but this is where most of the, painting happens. Over here, you can see I got a little big styrofoam block for all my pieces I'm painting up. This is a little hint for y'all, Can y'all guess what that is? If y'all can guess in the comments. I want y'all to hypothesize what I'm going to be working on. But over here, we got our airbrushes. We got two of them because I like to switch off so I don't have to keep switching between paints and cleaning them out. But I make sure to clean up after every use because I've learned the hard way that if you don't take care of your airbrush don't take care of you. So keep that in mind, y'all. Clean y'all's regularly. After every run of paint, just make sure to clean it out real good so you don't have problems later on. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this latest video. I hope y'all like the studio tour, and honestly, I can't wait to see this channel grow even more. Again, 100 subscribers is huge. I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. Anyway, time for that little sneak peek I promised you guys. Until the next video, my friends, I'll see you later.